Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. I am your friend and finance guru CA Vishal Thakkar, along with our mentor Mr. G Ramchandran, here for one bonus episode which he promised me that he'll come back for, and I'm so glad, sir, you made it today.
My pleasure.
So friends, of all the comments and the questions that we culminated to, there were many relevant questions, but due to limited time, I'm requesting sir to answer this one pertinent question. Sir, the questions that we have pulled together and what we've come to is that what are the three key financial challenges that a startup would face which stops it from becoming successful?
Vishal, it's a very significant question that you have raised. And friends, let me tell you, a startup has several challenges. But let me tell you, the biggest challenge is a financial challenge. The first biggest financial challenge is how are you getting the money to bootstrap the startup? And have you thought about the right amount of money for your idea? Invariably, the startups think that from friends and family, I'll take a small amount of money and start the startup. I call it drip funding, which is dangerous because drip funding never takes you forward because you don't know when the balance money is coming. So as far as the startup is concerned, the first financial challenge is to size up the money needed. And when you bootstrap the startup, you need to collect the money upfront, have it in your bank account before you start the startup. The second challenge is to control your monthly cash burn. The cash burn can be phenomenal if you just get carried away as a startup entrepreneur. We need to understand that money is a scarce commodity for a startup. What happens is, initially when we had that fund, we think we have sizable amount of money. We want to do everything. We want to look at technology, we want to look at marketing, we want to look at sales, we want to look at people, and we want to look at infrastructure. In the process, unconsciously, we exceed the budget. The moment we exceed the budget, we are done and dusted. We are a gone case. So we need to understand that the cash burn is very critical. The budgets are sacrosanct. That means you'll have to conserve the money that you have so that the money that you have raised can be there with you for the next 12 months with you so that you can at least be there in the system for some time before you can go for your angel funding. The third and the most important financial challenge that you face is you need to understand that money will run out quicker than you anticipated and sales may not pick up as you envisaged. What do? You may not get mezzanine funding or debt funding because you're a startup. You don't have a track record and no bank wants to give you money. The problem with banks and other institutions which are lending institutions is they want to give you money when you have enough money and you're profitable, and when you need money, no one is willing to give you money. So when you're going to be running out of money, you need to be ensuring that you have raised the next round of funds before you have run out of money completely. That means 4 to 5 months before you run out of money, you need to be raising your angel funding or Series A or Series B so that resource raising becomes a very critical activity in order to ensure that you are able to get through this hump for the next 24 months before you start making a cash surplus and becoming a success story. Thereafter, it will be a case of valuation and money will come to you and you'll be into valuation, creating value, and wealth creation. So please understand, finance for a startup is very critical.
Thank you so much, JR, for spelling it out in a very simple manner. What me and my viewers have found is that your ability to present a particular concept in simple words and easy flow makes it very easy. In fact, few of my friends were found taking notes during the video, and they said that they have discussed these concepts with their team internally and they are going to implement the principles that are suggested by you. So I think that is the most warm response that we could have ever received on our channel.
My pleasure. Anytime. Vishal, it's been very, very interesting being in your channel, and I hope that everybody has benefit out of it. Thank you so much, friends.
Thank you so much, viewers, for honoring our mentor. Of course, I'm saying our mentor, so he's your mentor as well, as much as he is ours. So if you still have any questions with us, you can post them in the comment section and I can have him reply it through an email or something. But make sure that you keep learning and you keep your spirits and energy levels high. And those of you who are engaged in a startup, make sure that you follow his advice religiously, because he has seen more startups and have got more successes than what we could imagine. So let's not reinvent the wheel, friends. And yes, like every time, I'm going to say again and again that application is everything. If you just listen to my videos and if you don't apply the principles given, you will not stand to benefit out of it. So please apply the principles, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next episode with something new, with something different, something exciting. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel today. Our channel, Finance Tube.